Holy cow, yo. Holy cow, yo. I'm not exactly video friendly at the moment, but I've never heard anything like that thunder that I just heard. That thunder heard like... That thunder heard like... I thought the whole area was going to be electrocuted. I was ready for a shock. I know my cat ain't out in that. I never heard thunder like that. That couldn't have been real. All I remember, I was falling asleep, and I heard that blasted ice cream man. And then I woke up to that thunder. Holy cow, it's gonna do it again. It's roaring up. It's roaring up. It's gonna do it again. I've never heard anything like that. I've never heard anything like that. Never heard anything like that, boy. It's gonna do it again. I'm kinda scared. I'm gonna get electrocuted. I'm gonna get electrocuted like that dude in the old school movie Great Outdoors. He's like, how many times were you electrocuted? 19 times. It's gonna do it again. It's gotta do it again because it's gotta do it again because it's been trapped in a pause, getting me feeling all frozen. I feel scared but excited at the same time. Why should I fight this? I'm feeling flighted off the flight deck. That's off the sidewalk. That's when they jump off the building. How could they do that? I'm not scared of heights. I love heights. They get me high because I'm high in the sky, closer to the almighty grips of that never slip. I'm waiting for the thunder roar, rain, thunder clouds. I want to know if what it's all about life. How not to waste time, how to get my mind wrapped around away from the bind if you're trapped in. I'm just tripping out naturally, sober-minded, a sober blur. That's where you'll find me, tripping on a new rainbow cloud. Get out in the rain, my brain's like chow. I want to know what's going down. Hit me with something I can't rap, not yet, but I'm on it. I'm obsessed, OCD. If I'm obsessed with music, creativity, you better get ready, you better get rich. Money's necessity. I can't breathe, now I'm up sweating. Palms starting to be perspiring. I'm Richard crying, I'm just brain frying, flying. Now I'm not trying. A nocturnal beast, a monster inside me. They don't get it, they think I'm pathetic. They don't know the strategizing that I'm headed towards greatness. But greatness ain't selfish, it is selfless. So be on that. Keep it bugging or keep it moving. We got to keep on doing what we've been doing, not losing. We be choosing to be chosen. Bugging out in the rainstorm. No more watching porn. I don't need that distraction. To me, that's not real. It's fake. I seen it. I seen it in it. I seen behind the scenes of this false reality that they spit at me. Reality is really fantasy. Truth be stranger than the fiction. Blurs affliction. Scars on my heart. As I sleep, I feel the body cleansing it. I had over 12 lemons today. I got high on that. Cause it's like drinking cleaner. It cleans the cells. Lemon's acidic and it turns alkalinic in this blur clinic. I'll be a mess. I'll be a mess when you look at this. When you look at this. When you look at this. It'll be a mess. Why don't you look at this? Why don't you look at this? Why don't you look at this? It'll be a mess in the clinic when you look at this. You look at this. Why don't you look at this? It'll be a mess. Alright. It's not funny, but that always happens to me. You go to get the camera to film something, document it, and then it doesn't do it again. Ciao.